Manitobans head into this long weekend with pandemic restrictions easing. As of this morning, they're able to dine in at restaurants, to work out at gyms, attend places of worship with capacity limits, but at least they can do those things, reopening today. Now, you might expect small business owners to be ready to make the most of those reopening opportunities, but as Karen Pauls tells us, some complain it could actually cost them money.
Restaurants like this one have been takeout only since November. They can reopen their dining rooms, but only at 25% capacity and only family or household groups at each table.
A group of friends, they can't come in too. It's hard. So better, we're just thinking better we stick with the takeout at the moment rather than open the dining room at more cost for the operating. And then secondly, it's a bit complicated. If we make it something wrong, if we don't follow the regulation, the fine is not that cheap though.
In fact, the Restaurant Association says nearly half of its members aren't sure if they'll open yet.
Just like every one of us who wants to get out and get into a restaurant, every one of these restaurant operators want to open up and have Manitobans back in their restaurant. I know they do. They're itching to get Manitobans back in there and see their gleaming faces again. But unfortunately, a lot of restaurants have to make a decision that's going to be, has to be beneficial to their restaurant. They can't be opening up to lose more money that they are making, even losing staying closed.
Gyms are also allowed to open, but only at 25% capacity and one-on-one training. Michael Russell owns 2 9-round boxing gyms. He plans to open on Tuesday after the long weekend.
I can easily have one person at each station, lots of space in between, nothing to worry about that way. Bags are cleaned in between, everybody's touching a clean bag.
These new restrictions will be in place for the next 3 weeks. Public health officials say they'll be looking at the COVID-19 numbers carefully, hoping to reopen Manitoba cautiously after that. Karen Pauls, CBC News, Winnipeg.